Uh, ooh. And then here we go again. I talked about this on Christmas, and I thought about all these families who weren't able to, and we donate to different charities and different families during Christmas time so that kids can get toys for Christmas, right? But think about if this was you, and it may have been you, if you couldn't supply the amount of things you wanted for your family or do the type of events you wanted to do during the holidays, let that stick with you. Let it stick with you. Let it burn inside. Like let that fester inside. One of my mentors told me that, and he's a multi millionaire at this point. And he was like, the moment everything changed for me is when it was the wintertime and the power went out and I couldn't afford to heat my house with my wife and my newborn son. And he was like, from this day forward, I will never be broke again. Let that be this point for you, right? If you could not get your kids toys, get your parents whatever you wanted, go wherever you wanted for the holidays and have an amazing experience, like embrace that shit and let that carry you throughout the year, really forever. I mean, it's these types of moments that will actually change your life because I mean, that shit hurts. Don't take it the wrong way and don't say poor me, poor me, poor me. Take that shit, run with it, make it so you can create the life you want.